Let's start the exercise 4a. The second sum I will do. The point is a equal to 0, 1, b equal to 7, 1, c equal to 6, 0 and d of 0, 5 and e of 6, 4 as shown in the diagram. So find the gradient of each of the line segment is, first the line segment is gradient of AB. Now let's start. AB equal to, so A equal to, the question will be A of 0, 1, 0, 1 and B of 7, 1. So the AB gradient is, now I will change, the AB gradient is AB. The x0 is a x1 value, 1 is a y1 value, 7 is a x2 value, is 1 is a y2 value. So now let's start. The gradient is y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 7 is equal to 0. So the gradient is 0. Gradient is 0. Then the second one is AE. E value is E of 6, 4. So now the gradient is AE. So A is 0, 1 is a x1 y1 value. Now this one is a x2 and y2 value. Now let's start. Y2 is 4. 4 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 0. So now let's 3, 6. So now U is 1, 2. Is the gradient is 2. The third gradient is DC. So DC, let's start the new page. So now D value is D value is D of 0, 5 and then C value is 6, 0. So this one is a x1 value, this one is a y1 value, this one is a x2 value, and then that one is a y2 value. Now let's start the gradient of DC. Gradient of DC. Gradient of DC equal to y2. Y2 is 0, y1 is 5. So 0 minus 5 and then x2 is 6. Y2 is x1 is 0, so minus 5 divided by 6. That one is the answer. So then DE, the new one is a DE. E value is 6, 4. So now let's, the x1 value is 0 and 5. X2 value is x2 value is, now let's start. This one is a x2, this one is a y2. So gradient of DE is y2 value is 4 minus 5 divided by x2 value 6 minus 0. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1 divided by 6. So that is the answer. So the answer will be, the 4 different answer of the gradient of each of the line segment is now finished. Thank you. Let's start the 4.2, the length of the line segment. Now you can use the formula will be changed. Is x2 root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. You don't forget. So now the worked example 3 I will start. Give that the coordinates of the point A, B is minus 4, 1 and then B is 6, minus 5. So respectively, the length of the line segment AB. So length of the line segment, the question will be length of the line segment is, the formula you know that the length of the line segment, length of line segment equal AB equal to, so do you know that this one is a x1, this one is a y1, this one is a x2, this one is a y2. This never change. So you can use AB equal to root of x2 minus x1. x2 value is 6 minus of minus 4 whole squared plus y value is y2 is minus 5, y1 value is minus 1, so is whole squared. So let's start the AB equal to, so root of 6 minus into minus plus, so 6 plus 4 whole squared plus minus 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 whole squared. So let us start root of 10 squared plus of minus 6 whole squared. So 10 squared is 100 plus 36 only, because minus into minus is plus, so will be plus 36 only. So now its root is 136. The line segment of A is 136. You can use the 3 significant figure is 11.7. So that is the answer.